Stocks in the deep, we have IVP, EZGO, JZXN, CARV, and AGIO. IVIP down again, 44.28%. This is Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. Yeah, more than 8 times its average volume have crossed the tape so far. Now more than 9%. It's crazy. It's crazy. Penny stock moving a lot of shares. It's gonna, who knows how many billions it's gonna run into today. Aggression very high. People are trying to buy this deep, or they are trading this deep. You can see that aggression. Yeah, more this is aggression. This is no, no. This is aggression. This is where the market price is. Yeah, they're trying to make the most of what's going on right now, and the spread is bad. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's actually bad. Yeah, it's not fantastic. No, not great at all. Aggression is there, but liquidity is not there. You want to spread. You can see that 0.15 and 0. That's you can see where this is. This is the buy column here, and this is where they are selling. Yeah, you see that's not good. You want to buy. If you buy right there, your value will drop right away. So you want it to be want it to be tight. You want the spread to be tight. Yeah, you want to get out fast. That's why liquidity is important. Get in and get out fast. Yeah, let's see what we have for IVP. So this is the 5 minute chart. There, okay, nothing has come up again. Don't remember if we had anything yesterday. I don't think so. If we did, we would have seen it. Well, we could have a look here on Think or Swim. We might have some news here. Let's have a look down here. Okay, I don't think they're going to say anything here. It's just regular summary. Yeah, nothing there we that we know of. Lower prices are expected to keep printing, at least up till the 26th of November. Then after by then, momentum might spike reflexively and then collapse again by okay, well, not so reflexively, not so reflexive, not so reflexive. It's going to hold for up to one trading session. Yeah, and then after that, decay, but the prices is expected to remain above its 10 period moving average at least by the 1st of December. Okay, projections are currently saying 0.3521, 0.2671. Previous projections, yeah, same as well. Okay. I think that one quick check we can do now is to find out when it dipped into 0.1. Yeah, it was in October. It was in late October, so it's gradually getting to 1 month since it hasn't traded up to $1. It has traded hasn't had an average of $1. Yeah, so they must be waiting for the Nasdaq to send them a notice. EZGO down 30.85%. Okay, still around 10% its average volume. High beta. Volatility is historically high. Let's see whether we have any news down here for EZGO. Okay, 1/4/25 reverse split effective Friday. Yeah, effective Friday. Yes, Friday the 21st. EZGO. Okay, so consolidation is expected to begin from the same day of the reverse splits. Yeah, but before then, it's lower prices that is expected, and also expected to remain below its 40 period moving average on its 4 hour chart. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside in the interim. Yeah, but before now it had uh, the highs of around 0.2718, 0.3260 to 0.3594. With the splits, those values will change, and indeed also downward projections as low as 0.0891, 0.1172, 0.1627. Yeah, JZXN. JZXN down 13.4%. Let's see what we have. Okay, nothing, not anywhere close to its average volume. JZXN. Okay, let's see whether we can find any news here before we go to trading view. Okay, nothing fresh. JZXN. Okay. Okay, extrapolation is saying lower prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the 1st of December. Okay. Let's see, we might still find some news here. Okay. Yeah, so this is a Nasdaq stock as well. Um, should be getting a notice from Nasdaq soon about non-compliance. 27th of October. Yeah, I guess at some point that will be coming up. That may be coming up at some point. Let's see what we have here. 27th of October. When was the last time you traded at $1? Yeah, 29th of September. So it's over a month now. They might be preparing for something, I guess, at some point. Yeah, let's see. CARV down 42.19%. Okay, so above average volume, but not fantastic. Liquidity is spread in its not the price is not so fantastic. CARV, CARV. Okay, that's the plunge, and then it's expected to keep printing low prices up till the 21st of November. Then after that, there might be a bounce that may be rejected right on its 40 period moving average by the 1st of December. Okay, but even if it gets a bounce, that'll be really good. Projections are saying 2.79. Yeah, it is an upper projection. Previous upper projections went as high as 3.47, 3.30, 3.09, 2.95. AGIO down 46.74%. AGIO's farmer. Let's see what we have here. Okay, more than double its average volume. I have across the tape. To highly okay, well, high volatility is expected in the coming days. Yeah, let's see how they're trading the stock. Liquidity not fantastic. You can see the spread. You can see where the this is the buy, and then this is where the selling is. This is where the ask. This is where the this is the ask, and this is the bid. This is the see where the how low it is. That's you want to sell, and don't want to sell, and then suddenly your valuation drops. And if you are already if you're advancing trust towards profits, you also want to exit fast. So when the spread is poor, it limits your exit. It limits your exit. So you want You want a tight spread so that you can exit fast as well. You want to enter and don't drop off. And then also while you're advancing, or while whilst the trade is going in your direction, you also want to exit as quick as possible. So a tight spread will support these two theories. AGIO. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till midday today. Then after that, you might have a bounce. But the 40 period moving average is expected to serve as a resistance. Yeah, so momentum is expected to pick up from Friday pre market session. And then by then, the price is expected to cross above its 10 period moving average. That moving average is dropping 2.41 points every 4 hours. Yeah. Okay, I think there might be some news. AGIO metapivat improved hemoglobin and hemolysis, but not pain crisis in sickle cell disease. Yeah, very important disease. Metapivat met the primary endpoint of hemoglobin response and improved hemolysis markers in the Rise Up phase 3 trial for sickle cell disease, but did not significantly reduce pain crisis or fatigue overall. Safety was consistent with prior studies. Yeah, pain is the major issue with sickle cell. Yeah, the pain crisis. It is. Yeah, you could be on morphine for days. You could be on morphine for days, and it's a tough disease to treat. Yeah, it's a tough disease to treat. If you have it, your chance of survival improves after you turn 40. So it's a disease that will always arise from infancy, from birth, and then from the point a person is born, that that's the crisis, the pain crisis will be there. The Your mortality risk is there until you turn 40, when it begins to improve somewhat. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.